Hi, I'm Larry Shannon, the owner of Gauge Machinery, and today we're going to talk about the SFS 4816's gang slitter. It'll do one cut of 16 gauge or 5 cuts of 24 gauge. It comes with a 49-inch width, in-feet width. You have 21-inch squaring arm on the left and also on the right side, and then you have a center squaring arm also. Some guys like to use this, or they like to use their palm guide, and I'll show you both ways to do it later in the video. It has a 1 horsepower motor, largest in the industry for a gang slitter. We use a 3-inch arbor, and I'll show you that later in the video. The 5 knives that come standard with it also have stripper rings. Sometimes stripper rings are good for gripping the material through, or if you're doing real narrow parts, it eliminates the twisted parts. At the control box, you have a start and emergency stop. Right now we have the emergency stop activated. I did load up the sheet right here. I set the squaring arm, the center arm, so it's just a matter of pulling the material, hitting start. Get your next sheet ready, feed it in. Okay, this time I'm just going to show you a quick, instead of using squaring arm, a lot of guys just take a piece of sheet metal, fold it over, fold it against there. Real simple, quick. Okay, the SFS has greasers on the left and right side. Periodically, about once a month, you want to hit those. That's pretty much the only maintenance that you have to do. The other thing is, you have a safety cover here. Lift this up. You can see the knives with the stripper rings. You'll want to keep like a 3-in-1 oil on the shaft. That'll keep it from rusting up, and the knives will slide easy. You also have a inch scale right here, so you can set your knives to a position. You always set the top one first, and then the bottom one just butts up against the top one. The stripper rings, some customers use them, some don't. It's up to you. You might want to take them off, you might want to keep them. Just depends on your application. We always supply the machine with all 5 sets of stripper rings. In the quote and also in the catalog, you see a picture of a hand wheel on the motor. It's located right here. The hand wheel is a nice feature because it now allows you to change the knife positions much more easily. Other machines, you have to hit the stop and start buttons so the arbor will turn and have access to the Allen heads. With ours, you can move it they were all the way onto the other side, so it took a little bit of time, but it allows you to access both Allen heads and also the stripper ring. Emergency stop is on. What we always do is we unplug the machine, which we have done now when we're adjusting it, and hit the emergency stop. That way, even if a guy comes up and doesn't realize someone's back here adjusting, he can't run the machine. The machine runs on 110 or 220. Most of the machines we sell is 110 because it's more power available in the shop, but we can also offer it at 220 if need be. The machine comes with leveling legs and bolt down holes in case you want to permanently fix it to your some location in the shop so it's not moving around when tables are hitting it. The exit feed for the Slitter is 34 inches, so if you have tables, it's best to have them a little bit lower, maybe a half-inch lower so the material drops, and it works fine. The safety cover, when you're done setting your knives, bring it down, and that way there's no way the operator can get his hands in there to cause a cut. As you can see, the SFS 4816 is an economical way to produce slit cuts without having an expensive buying a shear or a full-blown slit to width cut to length line. We do offer shears, we offer full-blown slit to width cut to length lines with leveling, with recoiling. So as far as where you want to grow with your business, we can start easily with a SFS 4816.
If they were